Hi, lovely people. Have you failed your NCLEX recently? Sure. Congratulations. I am super proud of you for taking an initiative in becoming a United States registered nurse. We need to understand that in life, sometimes we win and sometimes we lose. In all of this, we simply need to learn. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, I believe this is the time to click on the subscription button. Follow us on all our social media platforms. It's K&A RN. I am a registered nurse from Ghana who relocated to the United States. This video is going to outline some steps you need to follow to pass your next NCLEX if you recently failed the exams. Now, let's dive right into it. When you fail the NCLEX, the first step you need to do is to sit down and reflect on exactly what happened. Now, most of the times, once we fail the exams, we want to simply jump back into learning, registering, and going back to write. I know, but I'll need you to sit back and relax. Analyze the situation. Where did you think you needed more of improvement? In analyzing this, you need to request for your candidate's performance report. Once you get the candidate's performance report from Pearson VUE, it outlines where you were near, below, or above passing mark. And this gives you the opportunity to know exactly how to plan your studies. Once you have done